What's up, guys, and good morning. It's about 9 a.m. this morning. We are at the Rays event here in El Segundo. Came early so we can catch a little roll in. It's pretty cool. Let's see how many TE37's we find today.
I guess 25.
Like, leave your guesses in the comments, and if someone can count them, look, 1, 2, 3 already. Yeah, count all the TE37's that we see today. There's 3 in one shot. Literally. But anyway, it should be a pretty cool event. They have this whole parking filled up already. So, catch you guys walking around. This a flex right here, though. Jeez. That's such a flex. All the R35s are gonna park next to each other. Finding Nick pulled up. Sick. Alright, so we're in the show now. We're gonna do a little walk around. There's a bunch of everything, literally. From Evos to Civics, everything. There's a bunch of off-roading overland builds. It's crazy. GR Corolla. LS in the FC? Okay. Oh, LS in the 240? What?
Oh.
LS boys. Sick.
That's cool.
A few NSXs on this side. Hey, we got the Mini. And next to the R33. Sick. With the ski box. Sick. This Civic looks crazy though. Holy. Gutted inside. Those seats are crazy. No hood. Crazy. We got the CRV with the PE. Sick. The S2000 right here. Then we saw this one pull in on the trailer. This thing's crazy. The Rocket Bunny FC. Thing's wild. Super cool. We saw this R34 pull in with that. This DRX7. These two are crazy though. Straight drift cars. That's crazy. Just sick. The two Apexi cars. Got an S13 and the FC. That's sick. Super cool to see. All the overland build. That's crazy.
Ellis is here.
Ellis is here. Fujiwara. Sick. Got the baggy van chilling. The whole trailer right here with the. Oh, I thought it was the E30. It's the Volvo.
I like the Volvo.
With the little TEs. That's sick. I like that. This thing is crazy. I saw it the other day at a car meet too. That's crazy. This is crazy. Crazy fitment with the polished T37. That's wild.
I like the full color.
I like that.
Looks good.
Yeah. With the paint match freaking grills. That's crazy.
Okay.
Got fresh kicks. But anyways, with the TEs. Super clean though. Across 400R right here. This thing's crazy. Crazy clean. So we came across this R33 earlier coming in, but this thing is just crazy. It's from he has a shop in East Coast that he works on GTRs. It's crazy to see in person. But again, next to this 400R, this thing is always cool to see. A bunch of people are leaving, finding Nick is leaving right here. Corvette on the TEs. Alright, how many TEs are we at? Someone please just comment how many TEs. It's like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. Back to this trailer right here. Even the Ford, what is it, Explorer? Has the matte black TEs. It's funny. But anyways, I think we're gonna start walking out, see what we see on the way out. We might check out some other parking areas. We got Bride here. They have that wide body 46 clean. But yeah, see what else we see on the way out. Oh, I didn't show this GR86 right here. I'll show it. And then we saw this pull in, I think, for this GR86 wide body. I'm not sure what wide body this is. Theirs? I think it's theirs. Pretty clean though. I like it. Alright guys, I think we're gonna be heading out now. If we see anything else cool, I'll pop in the clips. But if anything, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and everything. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And it's like on Tri-Spokes. Focus. Focus. It's not focusing.
The light screen.
Oh, there it is.